This is tailgate unboxing, and it smells like piss. There we go! Look how much smaller it is than this thing! It's gonna be great! So, but this only expressly for the channel. Because I've been filming a lot of shorts and, well, even long form with my iPhone. It's not even a newer iPhone, it's an iPhone 15 Pro Max. And sound is really important. But yeah, you're wondering, why don't you have your Letterman tool, Piper? I left it in Canada. Sound is like the most important thing. You can have a lower grade image, bad sound, doesn't do the trick. So here we go. I went to like 3 Best Buys, Target, and nobody had it. This thing. They had all the other ones, but not the one for the phone. Oh, comes with stickers. Okay. A little DJI pouch. Always DJI everything. Okay. Oh, move. This. See, this is so small you could swallow it. I've taken Advils bigger than this. Oh, careful, those are the magnets. You don't want to lose those. And this would be a microphone. Oh, it already has the move on it. Perfect. Okay, and here we can, no, not this. Where are the magnets now? Oh, they're here. No, not here. Wow, you really need to be careful not to lose anything. This is like Polly Pocket stuff. It's not earth magnets, but they work. Wow. Good thing I didn't do my nails. Oh, that's good. Oh, this is so fluffy. All right. Button description: off, low, high. Okay, off, low, high. Low. Okay, it's at low. Let's swap it. Let's test it out. Yeah? We have sound? Okay. So, how does this sound? Does this sound better? Look how small this thing is. If I put it here, doesn't even undo my short too much. Hello. And then I could also clip it. I could also clip it or hold it or swallow it. Let's get moving now. We need to get back to Canada.
Follow Piper.com where the freelance devils can rock and roll.